Yangi Wahakman.
Yeah.
Okay, nice. Alright, so yes guys, it's your boy Robin here again to another video, and today we have with us
Case, mate.
Wicked. As you know, I'm from Jamaica and he's from
Senegal.
Alright, perfect. So he's Senegalese. I guess so. First of all, as you guys know, in Senegal they speak Wolof.
Yeah.
Right.
National language.
Right, so it's their national language, and as you guys remember from my video here, I taught you guys some Patois word, and as you know, there are some Wolof words in Patois. So long story short, some Wolof people literally came to Jamaica during slavery. Yeah, for real. And so one word we have is, you told me the last time, one word we have is fi. Like fi for us means to,
Free.
and fi for you means,
and them.
and then we use them to mean they or like a lot, and them for you means
mean going
right
somewhere.
Exactly. So let's go to the first word. So what's the first word or expression?
Okay. I'm gonna say Karo.
Kalo. Sister Kalo.
Karo.
Karo.
Yeah.
Okay, good. And that sounds like a car.
No.
Is it a verb?
It's a physical thing.
Physical thing. Karo. Carrot.
No.
Karo.
But good try.
Good try. All right. Let me guess one more time. Karo. Give me a hint. Like, is it something you eat?
Something? No, it's physical. It's a part of the physical. You know,
Face.
your body.
Face.
Your body.
Face.
Okay, you're not so far.
Eyes.
Try again.
Karo.
Karo.
Hand.
You were closer to the
Nose. Ears. Lips. Mouth. Tongue.
Close.
I give up. What's it?
No, you're good. Okay, last try.
What's left?
Try.
I said my face.
And
Here.
oh, good.
Karo. Okay, nice. Wicked. Oh, no, that's nice.
Yeah.
All right. In Patois, we just say ear. So it's like in English.
Like it's in English. Yeah.
Sweet.
Yeah.
Number 2. Second word.
Okay, second word. Okay.
Joder. No, but that's for you. Second word.
Second word. I want to say wah.
Wah. Oh, isn't that like Arabic? Wah? Like, isn't that like Arabic?
Arabic.
Wah.
Wah.
All right. I think it means what. It means
no,
what?
No. It's your thing. It's your thing. You use this. It's the main thing that you're using.
Mouth.
You're close. You're close to the
Maybe I'm using
to the answer.
You have to say you do it all the time.
I do it all the time.
Yeah.
All the
You're
time.
close to
You
the
do it right
question.
now.
To the
Talking.
answer.
Oh, wow. Ah, okay. Wow.
Okay, talking, but
Wow.
you use words.
Words.
Words and talking. Yeah.
Oh, wow. So,
You got the right question.
So,
Yeah.
wah.
The right answer.
Wah.
Wah.
wow. Wow. Okay. So, how do I use it in a sentence?
The sentence?
Yeah, give me a sentence with using wah.
Okay. Yangi wah akman. Wah akman.
Yangi wah hakman.
Yeah.
What is
Wah.
this? Wah.
Akman.
Man. Wah hakman.
Yo.
Wah hakman.
Yeah.
Ah.
Yangi
Yeah.
wah akman.
Yangi wah hakman.
Yeah.
Okay, nice.
You are
Okay.
talking with me.
You're talking with me. Sweet. It's going to rain. Oh my god. It's getting really dark.
Just 2 minutes.
Just 2 minutes. So if you see this get dark, it's the rain. Alright, what's our third expression or word?
Tao.
Almost world.
Tao.
Tao. Yeah.
Tao.
Tao.
Time.
We're in the. Oh,
It's raining.
because it's raining.
Alright, so we have to. Alright, so yes guys, so we're here again. It's raining super hard outside, so it's good. I'll maybe show you guys the rain in a minute. So good. Wow. Let's go with tough. Raining.
Tao. That's why we're here, right?
Tao. Okay, so because of the towel, we're inside. Good. So number 4.
Rain, yeah. I don't. I would like to say girl.
Girl.
But
Girl.
okay, you're gonna understand.
Yeah.
Okay, I don't. Give me one. So okay. Like okay, good. Like.
It's something in your tongue. To like. To hit.
You know. Oh, good. Right. Hey, nice.
Not it.
Second shot. Second
Not
shot.
it.
Second shot and you get it. Yeah.
To
you
eat,
good.
to eat.
Okay,
Ah,
to eat.
For us, we use nyam.
Okay, yeah.
Nyam.
Yam.
Nyam, yeah.
And
We
nyam,
say
have another
nyam
culture,
too. We say nyam
cultural,
too.
like language.
Right.
And it's the same. Pula.
Pula.
Apa pula kau Ju?
Yeah. We say
Pula.
nyam
Nyam.
also.
Nyam.
Even.
Viens manger.
Nyam.
Right.
Oh, okay,
Yeah,
yeah, okay,
nyam,
nice.
yeah.
Alright, so give me my fifth and final word.
Okay, fifth and final word. Gonna be some like Miguel. Miguel.
Miguel. What's that? What's that? My friend. My
is-
friend.
Okay, but if you got friend, is you have you feel something like Miguel when you have
Happy. Like I'm happy.
close. You're close to. You're close to.
Inside of you,
Love.
making you
Love.
blood.
Good.
Alright, love.
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 In Miguel's in Wolof.
Miguel.
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 Wow.
Miguel.
Wow.
It's not like Miguel, but okay,
Okay.
Miguel.
The sentence is when you talk with a girl or I don't know.
So what would I
okay,
say?
you say Damelebug.
Damelebug.
But the roots of bug is Miguel. You know the roots. You know Miguel.
Alright, so I'll pretend I understand.
It's like I love you and love. To love you and love. Love is the word, and to love is the sentence. I love you is the sentence that you make to express your feeling.
You're a donut. You're so stupid.
You know what I mean?
Ah, okay. It's coming on. Okay. Finally. Okay. No, that makes sense. All right. So first of all, I thought Wolof would have been a lot closer to or Patois since we got some words from, but it's literally so far.
Yeah.
So it was really interesting.
Okay.
All right. So thank you so much. By the way, guys, he's a singer. So yeah, he's a singer. So he's really good.
I'm on YouTube and also in all this kind of platform like
Right.
Spotify, iTunes. My name is K Smile, the letter, yeah, K and Smile.
All right,
And,
wicked. So I'll simply leave his information in the description box down below. Don't forget to like, hit subscribe, do your thing, share, and peace out. Ciao. Nice. Thank you so much. What? What's that?
Babenen.
Babenen.
See you next
À
time.
la prochaine. Wicked. Nice.
Au final, elle a attrapé la grosse tête, les mots avec.